What are some key questions attorneys should ask before accepting a job offer at a law firm? Depends on the law firm, but if you have to ask lots of questions, you may ask the firm, what has happened to the person I'm replacing, or what do people typically do after this that don't stick around? And so answering those questions are always a good idea, because you typically want to go to work at a firm where good things happen with the people that are leaving. If you don't know about the firm, then you should try to learn that information in the future. Most law firms have similar vacation policies and all that sort of thing. But in terms of what is it that happens to people that work there in the long term, what happens to their careers and so forth, you may want to ask them about that. And you can often tell if they smile and they give you very positive answers or they look very uncomfortable. You don't want to go someplace like law firms where you may be asked to work with a partner that fires everyone within a year, or things like that happen. So you just want to make sure that if you're hired by that firm, good things will potentially happen to you in the long run. I would ask, what has happened to people that have done this job in the past? So that's a question that most people don't ask, and I think could be helpful.